In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for daily stand-up meetings. Jira can be a great tool for keeping stand-ups focused, visual, and up-to-date. Instead of relying on memory or separate notes, you can use your board to guide the conversation and make updates in real time. That helps the whole team stay aligned and makes it easier to spot blockers or shifting priorities. To get started, open your team board. Log into Jira, go to your project, and then click Board to open either your Scrum board or your Kanban board, depending on how your team works. This board will be the main screen you use during the meeting, so it's helpful to have it open and ready before the stand-up begins. Next, filter to today's work. You can do this from the backlog view or the active sprint view, depending on what makes the most sense for your team. The main goal here is to narrow your focus to the work that matters right now. Pay special attention to issues that are already in progress, as well as items in to-do that are today's priorities. If needed, you can also apply a quick filter, such as showing only issues assigned to you or items updated in the last 24 hours. This helps reduce noise and keeps the meeting efficient. Once that's set, review each team member's tasks. For each person, open the issue they're assigned to and check the status, current progress, any blockers, and the due date. This gives you a clear picture of where work stands before or during the discussion. It also helps you catch risk early, especially if something is delayed or waiting on another task. During the stand-up itself, use the Jira issue view directly from the board. Open each task and use the issue details panel to guide the conversation. This is where you can discuss what was completed yesterday, what will be worked on today, and whether there are any blockers. Keeping the discussion anchored to the actual issue makes the meeting more practical and less vague. As the team speaks, update issues live during the meeting. Move tasks across columns, such as from to do to in progress, or from in progress to done. You can also update the assignee, adjust priority if something has changed, and revise estimates if needed. Making these changes in the moment keeps Jira accurate and saves time after the meeting. If you want an extra layer of visibility, you can also use the activity stream. Go to Dashboards and then Activity to review recent updates. This gives you a quick snapshot of what changed since yesterday and can be especially useful for preparing before the stand-up starts. That's how to use Jira to run clear, organized daily stand-up meetings.